What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm finally back, but before we get started with the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave you guys a link down in the video description. So grab a snack and settle in because we're about to get started. So today is gonna be a whole different kind of format in comparison to the videos I've been doing before, because before I've been kind of just making vlogs, going around cities and showing you guys what my days look like whenever I go to these kind of games to take pictures and to take videos for all kinds of different pro athletes overseas here in Europe. So if you haven't, you're more than welcome to check out my recent YouTube videos. But like I said, today's gonna be a whole different kind of video because so far I kind of always made vlogs, and I was kind of like thinking about certain things that I want to change for my YouTube channel. So I came to the conclusion that I want to give you guys some more insights of what my day looks like and just showing you guys what exactly I do whenever I go to these games, how I take pictures, ISO, shutter speed, so all these kind of different settings that may interest you if you're already a content creator or just somebody who's interested in my work. So for this video, I kind of changed it up a little bit and I got myself a GoPro strap that I can kind of strap around my upper body, adjust the GoPro for you guys to see everything out of my point of view. And I'm also going to blend in the already edited pictures just for you guys to see what it looks like taking the picture, and then at the end what the picture is actually going to look like whenever I post it. Yeah, so all of the pictures that you're going to see, most of them are already going to be on my Instagram account. So if you're interested, you're more than welcome to check out my Instagram account. Like I said, it's going to be down in the video description. So for the people who want to know what kind of camera I use, I just recently got myself a Sony A7 III. It was already used, but still in pretty good condition. And this is not the lens that I usually use with this camera. I usually use my Tamron f2.8 28 to 75 millimeter for the A7 III, and for the camera recording right now, the Sony ZV-E10. This is usually the lens that I use with it, and this is a Sony f4 70 to 200 millimeter. But in the video, you're also going to see when I use which camera. So without talking too much, I hope you enjoyed the video.
I'm feeling like it's burning me. I'm just a way we kick it, wanna see the way we pop it. A couple bad bitches wanna make sure that they vibe in a roll store.
Also damit komme ich rein. Okay. Okay, alles klar. Danke.
Und hier sind für euch Urban Movement Studio! preferences and I'll keep getting more comfortable, but I'm excited for what's to come.